Running a Counter-Strike or Team Fortress server and managing SMX plugin files. These are compiled SourceMod plugins that extend Source Engine game servers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install, configure, and work with these SourceMod compiled plugin files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn SMX files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A SMX file is a compiled plugin for SourceMod, a server modification framework for video games using the Source engine. Server administrators download and install these files to add new features, game modes, or administrative tools to their game servers, enhancing the gameplay experience for players. The SMX file is a compiled binary executable for the SourcePawn virtual machine. Developers write plugins in the Pawn language, SP files, and compile them into this optimized platform-independent bytecode. This design ensures fast execution on the game server and prevents users from easily reverse engineering the plugin's source code. For full, accurate reading of SMX data, rely on SourceMod by AlliedModders. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows offers limited recognition, so understanding these files depends on the associated application. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click the SMX file and select Open With. Try launching it using SourceMod if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the SMX file. First, installing on game server. Place SMX files in the add-ons/SourceMod plugins directory on your Source Engine game server. SourceMod automatically loads plugins on server startup, or when using the SM plugins load command in server console. Verify successful loading with SM plugins list, which displays all active plugins and their status. Next, configuring plugin settings. Most SMX plugins create configuration files in add-ons/SourceMod configs and CVARs in CFGS SourceMod folders. Edit these files to customize plugin behavior. Set permissions and configure features. Reload plugins with SM plugins. Reload after configuration changes to apply new settings to the running server. Finally, compiling from source. To modify or create SMX plugins, download SourceMod and the spcomp compiler from sourcemod.net. Edit SP source files in any text editor and compile to SMX using spcomp.exe sourcefile.sp. The SourceMod web compiler at sourcemod.net also compiles plugins online without local toolchain installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.